We knew that we wanted to increase use with millennials. So we leaned in on this concept. The Interac $100 challenge was a video concept where a creator challenged themselves to be able to accomplish something under $100.
The impetus was to showcase all a cardholder has to do is tap their card for any purchases under $100 and be on their way.
I know there was one individual that did Halloween costumes that were homemade for the family. Millennials are on YouTube and they're following creators, so we wanted to create content that would engage with these individuals and from people that they trusted. So we ran TrueView ads for all the influencer videos and really used detailed targeting, and so we saw a great view rate of over 75% per video.
We had 7.3 million impressions.
Over 2.6 million views across 25 YouTube videos.
25% higher retention rate than the YouTuber's average regular content. I had recently heard a line that said, if on your first date, all you do is talk about yourself, you're not gonna get another date. And I think the same principles apply to content marketing when you're looking at your marketing and branding strategy. The audience loved these different videos because it provided them real value.
And so we were able to increase Interac Flash use within our target demo by 3%.
We'll absolutely be leaning on the YouTube platform going forward. It's about thinking beyond the traditional advertising and use the platform in different ways, such as through influencers.